I'm going to be testing these oils that I use to lube and clean my weapons. And I've used all of these over the past 30, 35 years. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray each one of these on this bar. And I'm going to wait all day. And when I come back, I want to see which one of these oils evaporated. The reason is because sometimes you want to seal oil off in your slides, and sometimes you don't, and then you start wondering, is it lubricated or not? So let's get to spraying. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray and then try to wipe each spray off. That is Kale. Made by Kroger. Okay. This is 3-in-1. More like a motor oil, as people would say. I'm not gonna say which one I use the most, but I just want to see what's going on. This is Blaster multi-purpose lubricant. This is Blaster penetrated lubricant. Make sure I get them right. Here. I'm gonna have to mark that. This is your trusted old WD-40. This is Kale also. This is silicone. That's oil, guys. This is silicone. This is your rim oil. Come on. A lot of people use this. This is Hots 9. Just a little more. It looked like I put more of that one on here. Okay. I can tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I'm going to let this sit, and hopefully by 5 o'clock, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to let this sit all day and come back tomorrow and see which one is dry. I'm going to come back at 5, then we're going to go back tomorrow. All right. I'm sorry. I was getting ready to leave and put the camera up when I noticed something. You're going to have to see this. I don't know if you can tell here. You can see that is still intact. This has bubbled already. This one is still kind of okay. This one is okay. This one is okay. This is your WD-40. No, this is the silicone. And it looked like it's evaporated already. Well, evaporated. This is your rim oil. And this is your Hops 9. It's bubbled as well. So this is going to be pretty interesting. I might have to just leave this alone at 5 o'clock. Yeah, I had to come back again. I had to think about what I was doing. And I'm not going to let this sit, because when you're cleaning your guns, you actually wipe them down. You don't let them sit. So I'm going to wipe this off, and I'm using a different piece of paper on each wipe, as if you're cleaning your gun. That's what led me up to this. Okay, this would be simulating the wiping of the barrels and your slide and everything. And you can see what's going on. Now, I promise I won't come back until 1 or 2 hours from now. I wanted to wait till later on this evening to finish this video, but this is 4 hours later, and I think I can just wrap up what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is how quick these oils will dry when you lube your guns up. And this is what happens after 4 hours with a wipe down exposed to the sun. The kale, that's what that look like. 3-in-1. This is what that look like after 4.5 hours. Blaster, this is what that look like. PB blaster, this is what that look like. WD-40, that's what that look like. This is your silicone, that's what that look like. Rim oil, this is what that look like. Hops 9, that's what that look like. I'm gonna turn it to the side where you can see the sheen of these. Dry, still wet, dry, 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 dry with a little film on it. Still wet, still wet. I'm not gonna say they're not bad, because I've used all of them all the time. I'm just showing you what to expect when you clean your weapons and use one of these oils. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and check out some more videos I'm gonna be pasting.